Let's begin in mountain pose, standing up nice and tall, anchoring through the feet, reaching the top of your head towards the sky. Visualize yourself standing tall and sturdy like a mountain. Pay attention to the flow of your natural breathing. Let's join our hands in Namaste. And I'd like you to invite a sense of peace and calmness into your practice. Now slowly open your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. Inhale, reaching the arms up, palms together. Exhale to the heart center. 2 more. Inhale. Exhaling. 1 more time. Inhale, awakening your whole body. Exhale to the heart center. Now again, reach your arms overhead. This time interlace the fingers, pushing your palms up towards the sky, lengthening your whole body. And as you exhale, gently bend the knees and tilt your pelvis forward as if you're sitting on a chair. Slowly release. Now tuck your chin towards your chest. Relax the shoulders and let your arms dangle, rolling halfway down. Bend your knees again to relax your back even more. And slowly release. Again, reach your arms up, interlace the fingers, pushing all the way up. Lower your arms down, and this time we're coming to Dangling Pose, rolling your spine down, nice and slow. Remember to relax your shoulders, relax your jaw, relax your entire upper body. If you feel comfortable, just hold your opposite elbows. Again, feel free to bend the knees or keep them straight. Now slowly rolling back up to standing, reaching your arms all the way up. And exhale, bring your hands behind you, interlace your fingers, bend the knees, find a high chair pose, chin up, breathing deeply in and out through your nose. And release. Now let's come into a 5-point star. We continue with triangle on the right side. Turn the right foot 90 degrees out. Place your right hand on your leg or on the floor, gazing at your left palm. Now let's take your left arm behind you to wrap around your right thigh. Look down towards your right toes. Try to squeeze your shoulder blades to activate your back more. Bend the right knee and come up to a reverse warrior 2, keeping the left arm behind you. And feel the stretch along the right side of your body. Now return to 5-point star, and we do triangle on the left side. The right arm behind you to wrap around the left thigh, gazing down towards your left toes. Bend the left knee, coming up to reverse warrior 2, stretching the left side of our body. And return to 5-point star. Now turn your toes 45 degrees out, coming to a high squat or goddess pose. Place your hands on your thighs, and as you exhale, gently twist to your left side, pushing the thighs slightly wider with your hands. Inhale to center, exhale, twist to your right. Repeat, inhale to center, exhale to the left. Inhaling to center, exhale to the right. Place your hands on the floor now, reaching your arms forward, sinking your hips slightly lower. Try to get your thighs parallel with the floor. Feel the weight sinking back to your hips while you keep walking your fingers forward. Slowly turn your toes forward, coming to a wide-legged downward facing dog. And now let's step back to downward facing dog. And place your knees down. We will do 3 spinal waves here. Inhaling back, exhaling a cat spine forward. Inhaling, sliding a cow pose back. Exhaling a cat pose forward. One more time. Inhaling, sliding a cow pose back. Exhaling a cat pose forward. Let's stay in a straight arms cobra now, or you can do a cobra pose if it feels right for you. And release to a straight arms child's pose. Gently roll your spine up and take hero's pose. And take this moment again to feel your body and breath sensation. We will do a few rounds of Surya Bhedan here. Raise your right hand, fold the second and your third finger, and place your thumb on the right nostril. Exhale to the left, and close the left nostril with your ring finger. Inhale to the right. Again, exhale to the left, inhale to the right. Continue with this at your own pace. Inhaling through the right and exhaling through the left. Complete the cycle by exhaling through the left again and lower the right hand, resting in hero pose. Focus on the flow of your natural breathing. We will now seal your practice with 3 deep breaths. Inhale, reaching all the way up, palms together, and exhale. 2 more, inhaling up. Imagine you're circling yourself with a positive aura. Last round. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste.